Hey guys, it's your girl Lashes Tony XO. Happy Halloween. Okay guys, I've been talking about my infamous zipper face look for ever since I started my YouTube channel. Every year I say I'm gonna do a Halloween tutorial and I never get around to doing it. Halloween tutorials, they take a lot of time. And I love doing them, and this year I was like, you know what? You're doing it, girl. You're doing it. Okay, so normally what I do for my zipper face look is just kind of like it's a zipper, a girl, obviously, with a zipper down her face, and it's kind of open, so you kind of look like you're seeing the inside of her flesh, her skin, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to make it even gorier. Is that a word? I don't know, but we just made it a word. We're going to make it even more gory than usual. Okay, I've got some ideas. We're going to see if it works. You can get this at any of the Halloween stores that's in your area. You can get it online at the Spirit Halloween store. That's usually where I purchase mine. I did get mine there last year, and I also purchased a new one this year. Looks like this. Basically, this is the normal look that I do, with just kind of like the girl with the dead eye look, kind of, instead, you know, like you smoke it out with like a lot of gray, like you're dead. I don't know, it's cool. And then the zipper, I like my zipper to go out a little bit more, just because you can have more gore to your face, you know, when the zipper's more open. You also can do it over your eye, which if you guys like this look and you want to see me do it this way, I could totally do it in another Halloween tutorial, because I do plan on doing a few more. I know that it's getting close to Halloween, but I do plan on doing a few more. I think I'm going to do Hocus Pocus, this one, and maybe this one if you guys want to see it. Just let me know in the comments. But they do have a smaller kit. This one was like, how much was it? This was $12.99, which is super cheap. It does come with the zipper, which is right here. Which, let me just tell you, if you want to save money and go even cheaper, you could totally go to the craft store and just pick up a zipper, okay? It's just super easy. Now, you will need, for your skin, you do need a certain type of glue for the zipper to stick to your skin. You don't want just regular glue stuck to your face. So, what I recommend is called Spirit Gum. Spirit Gum. I don't know if you can see it right there, but that's what I always use when I do kind of these zipper face looks, or one year I was a zombie from The Walking Dead, which if you guys want me to do a tutorial on that, I can totally do that as well. But yeah, so Spirit Gum is one thing that you really, really need to pick up. Spirit Gum Remover, which takes off the glue without hurting your skin. Those are like really two main things that you need. Also, you know, like sponges and brushes, stuff like that. That's what I like to use as well. This one does come with some dark makeup and some like a white face makeup. I'm probably going to add a little bit more white to my skin. Maybe a little bit more. I do like to look real. Like this is like I really just unzipped my face. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to quit babbling about that. But that's a kit you can pick up. I'm trying to see what else. Let's see. Okay. So also, if you just, like I said, if you have a zipper on hand, or you want to go to the craft store and pick a zipper up, you can just pick this up, which is $5.99. And this has the Spirit glue, which you definitely need to glue the zipper on your face. And you also have the glue remover, which is called Spirit Gum Remover. Spirit Gum is what you're looking for. I also have another trick. I want to talk about some things you can use just around the house. Okay, so this is how I'm going to make this a little bit more gory than I normally do. It usually, like I said, I just do this type of look, but today I'm going to do it a little more gory. So, if you have, guys, if you have oatmeal, any type of oatmeal, it doesn't matter what kind you have. This is just like Quaker, like instant oatmeal. All you need is oats, basically. And the oats, with the glue and like a sponge, it really looks like you have like a flesh eating zombie look. So yeah, it's awesome. It looks so gross. It makes your skin look very textured and disgusting. So oats is the key. So if you have any kind of oatmeal, oats, you definitely want to use that. You can also use paper towels or toilet paper to have that kind of zombie-like, flesh-like skin. And I might kind of demonstrate it. Basically, you're going to stick this to parts of your skin and you're just going to rip it off and glue it. And then you kind of pull it open and it just makes like little holes in your skin. And then, yeah, you can totally make scabby skin, whatever, like your skin is flaking off, coming off, the gorier the better. You know what I mean? It's Halloween, guys. Okay, another thing that I'm doing today especially, which I'm really excited about because I've never done this before, but I had this idea. I am going to use rice, any kind of rice that you have. This is actually microwave rice, which is going to be a little gooey because, yeah, it's microwave rice. And this is brown rice. You can use white rice. You can use any type of rice that you have. And you are going to glue it to your skin, and it's going to look like you have maggot eating your flesh. So it's going to be maggots in my skin. Okay, you guys, it's going to be so disgustingly gory. Okay, it's already been like 11 minutes, and I've been talking, but I just wanted to go ahead and do that before I started the video because I'm going to fast forward most of this because it's going to take me a while to do this look. I use a finished look, and we'll end it there. Okay, guys, here comes the music and the fast forward. Hope you guys enjoy it. Bye.